Did you know? You won't believe this. There's a blood red waterfall flowing through the ice of Antarctica. It's called Blood Falls. But don't worry, it's not real blood. This chilling phenomenon comes from iron-rich water that's been trapped under the glacier for thousands of years. When it finally reaches the surface and touches the air, the iron reacts with oxygen and turns into rust, giving the water a bright red color. It's like the earth is bleeding, but it's actually just science. So the next time you think you've seen it all, remember, Antarctica still hides secrets deep in its frozen heart. Would you visit this blood red waterfall if you could?